Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use VidIQ in 2025 to get more views better as you and grow your YouTube channel faster. Whether you are a beginner or already creating content, this step-by-step guide will help you optimize your videos like a pro. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to install VidIQ extensions in your browser. You just need to go to the vidiq.com and then, or you can search for VidIQ extension. So here you can see we have these options called browse extension. You just need to click over here, install, and then you just need to be enable. This item is inactive right now, so you just need to be enable this one if you are already installed. If not in here, you just need to be click over here to add to Chrome, and then it will be add perfectly. And here you can see it already been added. So now you can see we already have an account in here. So once installed, you just need to be sign in with your Google YouTube account and grant permission so VidIQ can analyze your channel. After that, you can visit youtube.com. Let's say we are going to visit this platform and we can analyze our channel. And here you just need to be grant permission so VidIQ can analyze our channel. After that, visit youtube.com and you will now see VidIQ tools directly on your dashboard. So here you can see we are getting to saw in here. So basically VidIQ integrates with YouTube as Studio. No separate dashboard needed for most of them tools. So now here you just need to be comparing VidIQ, and let's talk about channel dashboard and scored. So on your YouTube homepage, you will see VidIQ scored on the right. So here you can see this is the on the right. You can see the score. So it's show data like views per hour, then SEO score, then also you will get to see engagement rate, social sharing stats. You just need to go to the YouTube Studio. Like here you just need to click over here and then go to the videos here, and you just need to click over here content, and if any content is published then you can easily view those, and you can see their optimized options also. So all are in same dashboard. You will see detailed VidIQ metrics for each video like tags, optimized checklist. Like if you enter one of them, like just click this one, and now you will eventually see all of data in here right as you can see it. Then competitor stats, description length, thumbnail comparison. This insights help you see what's working and what's need improvement in here. That's so much amazing as a new YouTube content creator. Now let's talk about the keyword research tool. So let's come back in here, and here you just need to click the VidIQ icon on the top right, then go over here to keyword. Like here you can see their keyword research option. So you just need to sign up with free. Just select my Gmail address and then click continue. Once I did, then it will take a couple of minutes. Now I am actually can access all of these features in here. So here you just need to be connect your channel, or you can skip it for now. Then here what will make your videos about, so you can skip, and now you can see it already been done. So I will close this one, and all I'm going to skip for now. So here you can see this is the dashboard of VidIQ. So from that place I'm going to access keyword research tool. So here you just need to be find it out keywords research option. So once you hover under the research, you will find out this keyword. You just need to be click this one, then you just need to be type your keyword. Let's say I'm going to type fitness for beginner, fitness for beginners in here, and let's hit enter, and you will get to see VidIQ shows like search volume, competitions level, overall keyword score. Use this insights to choose keywords with high volume and low competition. You can save keywords to your keyword list for further or future use. So here all our things are available for you for your users. This helps you to find the best videos topic with a real search demand. Now let's talk about the optimized video before publishing. While uploading a video, VidIQ helps you optimize your title. Here, if I come over that place, here you can see they are suggesting us title, and this you can see the logo is from VidIQ, and they are suggesting us the title based on high ranking keywords. Then the description, they also give us like get AI description recommended. You can upgrade boost to see conversational keywords. Also, you just need to be upgrade to boost it. Then you can create description recommendation by using AI from VidIQ. Then the tags, if I go to the tags sections, here you will see they are suggesting us the tags in here. You can choose one of them. You can see their search volume competition. So I will click on this plus icon, and you can see it already been added. Similarly, you just need to do for all this keyword. So you can pull from top performing videos. And now let's talk about the thumbnails. AI powered comparison to see how clickable your thumbnail actually is. So you just need to follow the VidIQ checklist. Here you can see their checklist, one at least one card, at least one end screen. So you just need to fulfill all of this. Then try to aim for SEO score above 17 for the best visibility. Right now the SEO score is 47, so it is not quite a good one. So always make sure that your SEO score above 17, and give a proper optimization, increase the chance, like a proper optimization increases the chance of your video showing up in YouTube search and suggested videos. So that's a good thing. So now let's talk about the competitor analysis tool. So you just need to click the competitor tab under the VidIQ dashboard. So here you just need to come over here, and from that place you will find out this competition. You just need to connect your channel. So add a channel in your niche to track their performance. You will see their top videos, video topic, engagement trends, posting frequency. This helps you learn what's working for others and how to make better content in your niche. Spy ethically and stay ahead of your competitions. Now let's talk about daily ideas tool. In the VidIQ menu, you just need to click on daily ideas. So it is a great things for us. You will get AI generated video idea based on your channel and trading content. Each idea comes with a score very high, medium, predicted view potential. You can save or dismiss ideas. VidIQ will learn your preference. This tool helps estimate creative blogs and gives you fresh content ideas daily. Now let's talk about the analytics and real-time data. You just need to go to the VidIQ dashboard, and then you just need to go over here to channel analytics. Once you connect your channel, you will get to see that options, and you will see subscribe growth, top performing videos, views per hour, watch time trends. Use the real-time stats bar to monitor live video performance. This helps you make data-driven decisions for your uploads and promotions. The more you track, the smarter your content strategy becomes. And that's how to use VidIQ in 2025 to grow your YouTube channel. Use it to do keyword research, optimize your content, analyze competitors, and generate ideas all in one place. Don't forget to install the Chrome extension and explore the free plan first. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you use VidIQ to or TubeBuddy. Thanks for watching.